Can education be a business? Should education be a business? But unfortunately in our country, education is the biggest business. Every child that is born in this country goes to the education system, goes through the education system, gets into schools, and further many of them go into colleges also. So the market, if you analyze education as a business, the market for it is the entire population. When you set the baseline of quality as a bit higher, at a bit higher price, then everybody is aligned to expect good education at a higher price. Rebuild India education should fail because Rebuild India model of education is trying to tell people that affordability, accessibility and equitability doesn't mean bad education. World-class education is possible to be delivered to everybody at an affordable cost, make it accessible to everybody and make it equitable to all sections of the society. The cost of educating people is not necessarily higher. It is making students work on their physical development, their intellectual development, emotional development, social and spiritual development as well. There are processes which are making students develop in all these dimensions on a daily basis. They know something every day. There are passive learning possibilities, active learning possibilities, peer learning possibilities. All of this is possible to be delivered to students at a lower cost. It is not necessary to have exponential costs. It is not necessary to have the fees in schools in lakhs. For what are you paying fees, school fees of 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs a year? For what? Isn't adding value to the life of your child? Think about it. Don't contribute to making education expensive. Don't contribute to making education commercialized. It is bad for the nation and it is definitely bad for your child.